So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when and where you're watching me from. I have a very interesting topic to discuss today, and the topic is why it hurts to love someone who doesn't love you back. Why it hurts to love someone who doesn't love you back. Oftentimes, we find ourselves in this situation. There's a popular saying that love hurts. It's not that love hurts in actual sense of love when love is balanced. Love hurts when you are so in love with someone, you have invested your emotions, you've invested your time, you've invested your attention, you've invested your attraction, everything you've got, and then you don't get such in return. Oh my goodness, it hurts. So, can we now talk about why you are not loved back? And how you feel bad and why you feel bad because you're not loved back. Well, first of all, I want to make you understand that, like the popular saying that you can actually take a horse to the water, but you cannot force a horse to drink water, right? You can actually love someone sincerely, but you cannot force someone to love you sincerely. And this is the truth that some of us, most of us, find it difficult to accept. And before I go on, I want to remind you that as far as there are people who love you sincerely and you don't love them back, and they try so much to convince you to love them and it's not working out because you can't, the same way there are going to be people who you love sincerely from your heart, and then they are not ready to give in to you, they're not ready to love you the way you love them. In fact, they are not even ready to like you. Please take heart. Such is life. Now, why are you feeling bad because someone doesn't love you back? Why are you feeling bad? I'm not saying you should not, because personally, I will also feel bad when I am not loved back. Okay, so let's analyze one. Let's take it one after the other. Number one reason why you are feeling so broken because the person you love so much, the love of your life, you are this, you are that, don't care about you, they don't love you back. It's because you have invested your emotions. You've invested your emotions on him, on her, and emotional feeling is very, very expensive. People don't know. It costs past money. You see that man, that woman you invested your emotions with, eh? In fact, I know too well that true love is more expensive than money. It's not something that money can just walk. You can just walk into the store and buy. So because you've invested your emotions sincerely and then it was not returned to you, you are actually gonna feel so bad. Don't mind me, I play about everything, but it's just the truth. Normally, life is not too serious like that. Okay? Just accept it. See, one strategy of healing from this kind of situation is acceptance that yes, in real sense, not everybody will love you. In real sense, people must not love you back because you love them. If you understand this, you can easily heal from any brokenness. You can easily heal from any kind of brokenness at all. Okay, and then emotional attachment is time consuming because you spend your time, your resources, all you've got. You test back fast, fast. You call, you check out, you do this, you do that. You invest your time wrongly. You invest your time wrongly. This is the time you could have spent in listening to some other person who loved you, in doing your business. If you invest the time you invest in that wrong relationship in your business will do better. I'm telling you for free, your business will do better. And then you invest all this time, your resources, your energy. For some of you who spend your money, like men, you spend your money, you spend your time, you spend your attention, and at the end of the day, you don't get it in return. Yeah, it's hurtful. It's hurtful. And that's why you're feeling bad. To whom much is given, much is expected of that person. Because you have invested more of your time, more of your resources, you are now feeling bad because you're not getting it in return. You want to cry. Anyway, if it's me, I'll cry. Sha. Hope keeps you stuck. Like, another reason why you are feeling bad is that, some of us don't easily give up. Some of us don't easily give up, especially when love is involved. You know, when you love someone so much, you keep believing, you keep hoping that things will work out for better. You keep giving time. You keep allowing him, giving him time. You keep giving her time. You keep finding a reason to justify their act of not loving you back. That's what love does. You know, love is so powerful. Love doesn't have hand, it doesn't have leg, but it can beat you. Yes, love is so powerful. And it's so positive. You know, love is very positive. When you love someone so sincerely and they don't love you back, you keep finding a way to justify why they are not there for you. You keep justifying their absence. You keep justifying their bad character. You keep justifying their negligence. You are the one speaking on their behalf. You are trying to protect them in your mind. Hey, this person is not giving you attention. You are trying to justify why he's not giving you attention or why she's not giving you attention. See, people have time for whoever they love. Stop protecting them. They are not there because they don't love you. Yes. Even people who are in prison, they find a way to communicate to their loved ones. You don't know. You don't know that a man who loves you will make out time for you. A woman who loves you will make out time for you. You see all those shortcomings you are trying to cover up. It is because you are so much in love, and the love has blinded you that you don't want to face the reality. You don't want to accept the truth. You keep giving yourself false hope. Wake up. Hmm? I can understand how you feel. I can understand how broken you are. I can understand how much you wanted him. I understand how much you want her. But if it's not working out, it's not working out. Don't get me wrong. There are stages you should try. Yes, you should try as much as you can to understand the person you are dealing with. Okay, because the God that made us differently. You should work hard to understand your partner, the woman you love, the man you love. You should also try to understand them. You don't just work out anytime there's conflict you work out, anytime there is a little misunderstanding you work out. If you keep doing that, you keep working out every day. So when emotion is involved, you should also try and do your best to make sure it works. But then I have issue with you when it's not working out. When it's the signs are there that it's not working out, you are still forcing yourself, still being positive. You are talking. You are the mouth. Yeah, you are the voice to the voiceless. Why are you trying to justify their negligence? Eh? Why are you trying to justify his negligence or her negligence? Don't do that. Judge people according to how they behave towards you. That's how to safeguard your heart. If you want to safeguard your heart, judge that partner of yours according to how they behave towards you. Okay? Don't forget to err is human and to forgive is divine. When you find out about things they are not doing very well and they apologize sincerely, it's okay to accept them and then watch. Place them on watch list. Find out if the apology is sincere. Find out if they make amendments because there is no perfect human being. It is okay for people to err. It's okay for people to offend you. But it is not okay when they apologize and they keep doing the same thing over and over again. That means the apology wasn't sincere. Okay? So no matter me, I've always said no matter the weight of the offense, find a place in your heart to forgive. And then place them on watch list. Check if they have actually turned back from what they were doing or from what we have been complaining about. Then you are good. But if they don't, it is okay to walk away. Okay, I'm not so. The reason why I just have to add this is that you not say because man or I said once you see the red flag you run. No, you don't run like that every time. You have to give people benefit of doubt. You train people to love you too. When people love you and they show interest that they love you, you help in training them. Some people have character flaws. Don't forget that. They are just like that, not because they don't like you or not because they don't love you. They are just like that even before they met you. Some people don't respect love. Some people don't respect relationship. Some people don't respect friendship. That is who they are. They have been like that before they met you. So if you find that they love you, you should help them. They have a problem. They actually have a problem. So it's okay for you to help them to snap out of it. That is if the love is there, if they love you, and if you find out the love is there and the interest is there, it's okay to help them snap out of it. Okay, but that character of theirs, that attitude they are wearing because of you, that character that is peculiar to you alone, they are doing that to you because they don't love you. Those are the signs, that are red flags. And so, no matter how bad their attitude is, if it has been their lifestyle and you love them and they love it too and they want to change, it's okay for you to assist them in snapping out of it. I mean, what is love for? If you can't help your lover It's not part of a character. Mm? So if you're not loved today, it's okay for you to take a walk. Live. Live. There is someone somewhere waiting for you to arrive. Yes. At any time you're in a wrong relationship, there is always a right person out there waiting for you to come out. Exactly. And then when you are in a right relationship, but there are differences, there are problems, you have to stay and fix it. Especially when there is love and respect, you stay and fix it. Sometimes it rains everywhere. Okay? So don't forget on your favorite Emma Honora. Mm? If it's your first time of coming across my video, do want to subscribe. In my next video, have a good time at work. I pray for you. May your love life succeed. May your relationship succeed. May everything that concerns you succeed. Yeah? May you find a good partner. And may your partner love you as much as you love him or her. In Jesus' name. Amen. Bye-bye.